In this short video, we'll cover how to choose between the acid neutralizer models and sizes. So it comes in different model sizes, and it also comes in two different kinds of media, calcite only or calcite blend. The way these work is that the tank is filled 2/3 full with the calcite media when you first start out. And it backwashes, say maybe once a week, and then using water, over a period of time, the calcite goes down. It dissolves in the water, which raises the pH. And it's generally, if you get the right size, you can usually get through about a year before you have to add more calcite. The water flows down through the top and up the distributor tube, comes out into the house clean. And there's a top fill plug where you can unscrew it and add more media, more calcite media, once or twice a year. So which size to get? In this picture you see a 10 by 44. That's our 1 cubic foot model. That's very popular. Basically the 1 or the 1.5s are very popular and good size to get. If you have a short space, short height, you can get the short tank, which is 37 inches total height. The 1.5 or the 2 is good for larger homes. The 1.5 cubic foot holds about 150 pounds of the calcite. 2 holds about 200 pounds. And most families would use somewhere between 25 and 50 pounds a year. So if you just never add calcite to it again, then after several years will go by and the tank will be empty. But the idea is you need to keep it topped off usually once a year. 2.5 cubic foot is good for large homes and if a lot of water is used. So which media do you select? Well, the calcite is what we recommend. We use PureCal, which is really great. It's pure white calcite, very clean and dissolves very well, but doesn't make the water too hard. So we've been using it for years. It's really good. So if your pH is 6 to 6.9, then you want to use the calcite. If your pH is 5 to 5.9, you need the blend. And the blend, all that means is that when you order it, we also ship it with some Flomag, which is, the calcite is calcium carbonate, and Flomag, also sold as Corrosex, another brand, is magnesium oxide. So you've got calcium, magnesium. Magnesium raises the pH higher. If you put too much of it in, the pH would be too high. We find about a 10% of the total media using works good. So that's what we ship. And you can add more or less Flomag, but that works good. If you have any questions about that, just give us a call or email us at support@cleanwaterstore.com.